Now we're going to remove the panel off of the second chamber so that we can have one person pressure washing the second chamber while the first chamber is still being emptied of solids. This chamber mainly has emulsion in it, whereas the first chamber is mainly ink. So we're just gonna go in and pressure wash. You can see the chain's got emulsion on it, but we're also gonna pressure washer. That is actually, those are the nozzles that we need to make sure aren't clogged, but we're just gonna give this whole interior a nice pressure wash. Get all those solids out.